Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit control panel shortcuts on Redmi Pad Pro. First, open control panel. To do it, slide from the top right side of your screen here, slide down, and here are your shortcuts. You can edit them by sliding down and pressing on edit, and now you can press on minus on these tiles you want to remove, and plus on this you want to add. Let's press on add on floating windows, and let's click on minus on quick share. You can also hold and drag to rearrange. Then press here to approve. Now your shortcuts have been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.